If you are worried about money right now, stop whatever you're doing and do this. I promise you, by the end of this, you will feel like a weight has been lifted off of your shoulders. If you cannot do this right now, save and favorite this video so you can get to it later. Before we begin, rate how anxious you are about money right now. 1 being not anxious at all and 10 being very anxious. So keep that number in mind. You can leave that number in the comments below. And if that number is below 1 or above 10, that's fine as well. But just remember the number because we will revisit the scale at the end of the tapping. So leave your starting number in the comments right now. We will begin on the side of the hand, just right here. I am so anxious about money. All this anxiety, it's taking over my life. I can't sleep. I can't think clearly. Money is all I can think about. Even though I'm extremely anxious about money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel this anxiety deep in my cells and in my bones, I acknowledge this feeling. I forgive myself for feeling this way. And I choose to be present with this discomfort. Okay, now that we've tuned into the problem, let's start tapping. I am so anxious about money. It's keeping me up at night. It's taking a lot of my mental storage. I always feel like something bad is going to happen. Maybe it's happened before. Maybe I'm just creating this fear in my mind. Whatever it is, all I know is I am feeling anxious. And I want to get rid of this anxiety right now. My financial situation is a mess. It's causing me a lot of stress. I feel the stress in my body. I feel it as a sinking in my stomach, a tightness in my chest, a pounding headache. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling all of those feelings right now. Even though I feel this money, stress, and anxiety so much in my body, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. It can feel difficult to escape this money anxiety. But today I choose to let go of some of the stress and worry around money. I acknowledge this money anxiety. I am not running away from it anymore. Because I know I cannot heal this money anxiety if I just ignore it, suppress it, or judge it. I'm not judging myself for feeling this way. I understand why this anxiety is coming up. But in this moment, I choose to let go of some of this financial stress. I'm open to seeing things in a new way. I'm open to changing my relationship with money now. I'm choosing to let go of this money anxiety. I don't need to hold on to this anymore. I release this money anxiety and stress from every cell in my body. It's safe to release all this anxiety around money. Because stressing about money does not get me anywhere. It does not solve any of my problems. It's just keeping me stuck for no reason. And as long as I'm anxious and worried, I will not be able to see things clearly. So I allow myself to enter a state of calm right now. I feel my body relaxing as I'm tapping. I have the power to change my financial situation. I have done it before and I can do it again. I believe in myself. Money is simply a tool. And as I relax my body and my energy, I'm opening myself up for more money to come in. I don't need to know how this money will come in. All I need to know is that it will. I am always taken care of. I always have more than enough money. I am always taken care of. And I always have more than enough money. All right, take a deep breath in and gently let go. All right, now let's revisit the scale again. On a scale of 1 to 10, how anxious are you now about your financial situation? Leave your number down in the comments, your new number. Did it go down or did it go up? If it went up, don't worry, because tapping does bring emotions to the surface. So that's a good thing. So do the tapping round again until you get down to a 0, or ideally 0 or even 1. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time and follow for more.